I'm Aleksandra Laskowska-Rutkowska and I'm professor at Lazarski University in Warsaw, Poland. And I'm going to talk about 9th Sustainable Development Goal. And this time I'm going to show some positive example as concerns building resilient infrastructure. Of course, this goal consists of another elements. It's also about innovation and industrialization, but all these elements are interconnected. So to build resilient infrastructure, we need innovation and we need developed economies which are able to finance new solutions. As concerns infrastructure planning, to make it resistant, we need to take regional considerations into account. Because there are some locations, they are especially risky as concerns hurricanes, wildfires, tornadoes, and so on. So that's why, in case we know that we are going to build infrastructure in such regions, we have to take into the consideration resilience planning. Let's start with an example. It's earthquake in Turkey and Syria from the year 2023. It was a very strong one, very disastrous one. Many people lost their lives, many buildings have been destroyed. And the question is, what can we do? How can we build infrastructure that is resilient, that is helping people to recover after earthquake, and that will help people not to encounter such tragic situations during earthquake. So first of all, infrastructure must be designed with seismic resilience. And what we now have on hand are innovative materials like, for example, shape memory alloys that can revert to their original form after deformation. We can use self-healing concrete, and we can also use fiber reinforced polymers that are known for their strength. And all this will help people survive during the earthquake, because the infrastructure parts will react not as strong as these ones built without help of these innovative materials. And after the event, it's easier to recover. Another problem are in coastal areas are hurricanes. They are quite popular in last years. Good examples are Katrina and Harvey hurricanes that, as we can see, costed a lot. And what we can do in this case as concerns infrastructure. So it's important to use flood barriers and elevated structures. Also, emergency management plans are very important one in coastal areas. Another problem are floods. There are many floods in last days in Europe. It's a picture from Poland, my country, from September 2024, when southern part of Poland had huge problems with floods. What's important, around 25 years ago, the same region encountered quite similar problems. What can be done to prevent floods? So we cannot completely eliminate them, but we can help to manage this situation when it occurs. But what is needed are pumps, are retention tanks, flood-resistant materials, levees as well, and of course it will help. Also, what's important is urban planning that should consider landscape alterations. And what is also important is proper management system in case of floods. And another problem, wildfires. Unfortunately, there are many of them nowadays. What can we do to help? We can use fire-resistant materials. We can think about surrounding vegetation and make it less prone to wildfires. And of course, a comprehensive fire management system should be implemented. All this requires innovative approach, requires innovative technology and innovative materials. Here on the picture we can see fire radiative power map that helps observe wildfires all over the world. But in case all cataclysms like earthquakes, hurricanes, floods, we already have technology that helps to monitor the situation, and that's very, very helpful. That's very, very important for impacted regions. So summing this all together, the goal number 9 is based on 3 main elements: innovation, resilient infrastructure, and industry. When we will put all these elements together, we can build both innovative economies, industrialized economies, and economies with resilient infrastructure. Thank you very much for your attention.